Okay, this is how we begin to do our pencil holder workshop today. Now, before we start everything, the first thing is that you need to ensure the material required to do this whole entire workshop. Now, this is the key material made of by MDF boards. I call it the medium density foam boards or the furniture boards made of by high compact foam, which is very suitable for doing handicraft and apply painting onto it. This is you need to get a pad like this. This is the pad just to prevent your tables getting dirty or getting stained on your table. So the best is that you need to get a cutting pad like this from any stationery shop nearby. And then on top of that, we need the glue. So this is the glue. You can also get it from any nearby stationery shop. Yeah, this is white glue. Okay, it's quite reliable. And this is the water. You need to get some water. Yeah, and okay, hold on, some brushes. Flat. This is the flat head one. Sharp head. Probably get a feel of it. Yeah, and then poster color. Yeah, poster color. Water-based poster color. Yeah. Okay. And what do we have? Okay, that's a palette. Get a palette. Okay. And I suggest you, for those of you who is a beginner, in order to secure your colors being mixed up, I suggest you to use two palettes. Yeah, one's this is the main one, and this is a separate one, but mainly to separate the dirty and the clear color. Yeah. So when you want to do any clear mixed up color, toning the color down, now the best is to separate them. So I recommend you to get maybe a plastic like this. It's quite cheap, you know, you can get it from the outside, and then apply the white color here, so you can do the mixtures both played together. We'll probably get another one. This is probably for the dark color mixture, and this is for the light mixture, and this is the main motherboards, okay, over here. So I think here we go. All right, so once you got all the material checked, so the first thing to do is to pull out some glue. Yeah, not so much, just a little bit. Okay, there you go. It's probably too much. Okay. Oh yeah, you need to get some tissue, just in case. Get some tissue. Now this might happen at home, you know, that you need to get some tissue just in case. Okay, but it's okay. You know, once the glue got dries out, it will disappear, so no problem at all. All right, so before we begin, now we need to get the glue on, and this is the 4 sheet of the MDF cutout, and this is the square one. It's the bottom. And all this jigsaw puzzle, this is representing front, back, and left and right, so to form up the whole 4 dimensions. Okay, now, alright, so, okay, where will we now? So just get the right pieces. Okay, probably you can use a holder, construct it. Right, then the 4 side. Okay, so once it's done, then get the right parts, assemble. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay, there you go. Alright, and that's another one. Okay, stain with some glue, and then put it together. Okay, so let's follow to the next. Okay, so there you go. So this goes here. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's the last piece. I'm gonna join this piece together. No worry, because this glue, once got dries out, everything is going to be transparent. Yeah? So the whole purpose we are putting this glue is just to make sure everything is quite perfectly stick together. So make sure it hold together tightly, yeah, like this, very tight and firm. So probably you need to wait for another 10 to 15 minutes under the aircon, or maybe under the sunlight. You know, it takes about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It shouldn't take more than that. Then you can begin to work. Okay. So make sure you overturn it, otherwise it will stick on the bottom. Okay. So this is roughly how that's the basic forms of the pencil holder is being made up. Okay, and the next thing we would like to do, it's doing the painting actually. So once you've got this bit done, so you have to use the brush, and then to create your some painting on the way. So for this theme, I would highly recommend you to do the 4 seasons theme for this whole pencil holder, whereby every page of it, every dimension, you can have a different season onto it. For example, like you can have the winter over here, and then followed by the spring, autumn. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Okay, so 4 scenes, yeah. Okay, once you got the box fixed, all right. So make sure the glue are dry before you apply the color, and make sure every part of it's completely hold on properly before you start painting onto it. So probably you need about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure it's completely dries up before you apply the color. Now, this is the finishing. It's going to be so the 4 season pencil holder. This representing the winter. This is the spring. That's the summer, autumn, Midah. Okay, so we're going to do another separate video, a close up on how do you, technically how to apply the color. Okay, so on the next video.